Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's video, let me show you how to connect Clash of Clans with your Facebook account. First, you have to open your Clash of Clans app on your mobile device. After that, log into your account. If you don't have a Supercell ID, click on Sign Up and create one. Once you're logged in, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select the Connected option from the pop-up menu. If you haven't connected your Supercell ID with your Facebook account, create the ID and connect it. After connecting, go back to the Connected section and tap on Add or Invite Friends from Supercell ID. Now select Share Link to Profile and choose the Facebook option from the pop-up menu. Invite and connect your friends with your Clash of Clans account to play with them. That's how you can connect Clash of Clans with your Facebook account to play with your friends easily. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.